In this video, we'll be covering emptying the waste tank container. When the waste tank for your GT machine becomes over half full, it is recommended to empty it. The tube should be trimmed at the time of installation so that it is only about 2 to 3 inches inside the tank. Never allow the tank to reach the full mark, as waste fluid can start to back up into the machine or overflow. Be sure to check the waste tank before performing any printing or maintenance operations with the printer each day. Whereas the machine will prompt you during certain actions to check the tank, it will not indicate if the tank is full. You'll need a small box and plastic container for use to place the removed tube in while emptying the tank. Let's begin with a visual check of the waste tank. The position of the waste tank or tray along with the style of the stand may vary from what is seen in this video. However, the method for emptying the waste tank will be the same. The tank is half full, so we will need to empty it. Take an empty ink box if needed and place it near the tank tray. Place the small plastic container on top of the box within reach of the tube. Remove the tube and quickly transfer it to the plastic container. Next, take the cap for the waste tank and use it to cap the tank to prevent any spill of the fluid. Now remove the tank and dispose of the liquid waste ink product. Dispose of the waste ink product in accordance with your local waste management regulations. After emptying the waste tank, replace it into the tray. Be sure to remove the cap and store it for later use. Now replace the tube with the rubber grommet into the tank and ensure it is snug. Do not adjust the spacing. Lastly, store the plastic container and box for later use.